Vice President, members of PhD, and members of the Global Fraternity. What a beautiful, I would say, an occasion to come together with the world trying to push away COVID and trying to see how we can work together. I don't think it would be a more opportune time ever before to take this agenda forward. Having said that, I think during the pandemic, as the Chamber tried to make sense and meaning about the world going forward, one of the most important aspects which came forward in front of us was how will business function in the world ahead? Will this COVID be taken care of? Will we learn to live with it? Will our economies shut down? Will our economies become greedy, selfish, self-sustaining? What will we all do? When this question came in front of us, we realized that this process cannot be understood with an internal process. We said, let's go and talk to the world. Well, we were during the pandemic, all sitting at our homes, not knowing what to do next. So we said, why not try to use the digital platform? And when we started the initiative, when we spoke to the Indian missions abroad and the international missions in India, everyone jumped to the occasion. The curiosity, the questions were similar in everybody's mind. I think PhD was one of the pioneers to kickstart this process. And now it has become the, I should say, the foothold, the main strength of every interaction in the world today and going forward. And I think it will become more efficient for the world with this hybrid model. Because we all know the importance of the sense of touch and feel. At the same time, the convenience of doing multiple things at one time. So having said that, we are looking forward to this kind of a world coexisting for all of us. And a good example of that is that we have some excellencies here with us. Some are on the digital platform. We have the government with us. We have some business people here with us. And those who could not make it are still with us digitally. So with this spirit, the PhD Chamber has continued to push forward with this. And I'm glad to inform you that during this International Week, we have such similar interactions already planned with the German consulate here, where we are having a digital setting for a sort of one-to-one meeting of businesses going forward as to what do they expect, what the challenges they are facing. To put in perspective, the next 5 days, including today, the way we have structured the International Week is that we have focused on one geographical area per session, and we have requested dignitaries and business partners and businesses and excellencies to join those particular ones. And we are going to kickstart that today itself in the second half. We have the Americas, we have the Oceania, we have the Africas, we have the CIS, we have the Europe. So a lot of learning, sharing and caring going ahead. And we look forward to everybody's participation. I don't think I should take more of the valuable time of this forum, and we would like to hear our dignitaries speak for us. So over to you, Naveen ji, so that you may invite our next speaker. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here.